Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the solved previous year question paper of Jamia Millia Islamia LLM entrance exam of the year 2017. So today we are going to deal with you a total number of 140 questions. There are subjective parts also. So I have already discussed the previous year question paper of 2020 and 2018 as well. You would find the same in the I button attached over the video or in the playlist section of the channel. So today I will be dealing with you the objective questions. The subjective questions, all the subjective questions which are already missed out will be dealt in the next session. So be with me, watch the video till the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Make the subscription to 1000 and also share our videos to millions. So let us start. So this is the slide which I have prepared. I have the question paper with me, but those questions, in the question paper, the question paper is not in editable format, so I couldn't highlight the correct options. So this is the reason why I have typed all those questions in the current slide. So let us see what are the type of question that will be asked to you. Question, this is part A, English. This question is related to one word substitution. Find the alternative for the given sentences. Killing of a human being, this is the first question. So here the correct option is option number C, homicide. So killing of a human being everybody knows, known as homicide. Question number 2, account of a person's life written by himself. It is known as option number B, autobiography. 3, direct vote of all the selectors. It is known as option number A, plebiscite. In each of the following questions, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom underlined. 4, do not drink, it will bring you to beggary. Bring you to beggary means option number B, to reduce to complete poverty. 5, he always builds castle in the air. Correct option is option number D, to form imaginary or unreal schemes. 6, pick out the synonym of the word amalgamate. This option number B, integrate. 7, altruistic, it means option number D, generous. 8, pick out antonym of the word unified, it means option number D, split. Question number 9, homogeneous. Homogeneous means homogeneous, the opposite of homogeneous means heterogeneous. Fill in the blanks. 10, a dash of hooligans. A, option number D, gang of hooligans. 11, he stopped dash 2 hours ago. He stopped working 2 hours ago. 12, there is no use dash going there at this time. This is option number D, of. They went to Agra dash bus. They went to Agra by bus. Spellings. Which of the following spelling is incorrect in the given context? So the correct option is option number D, compare, because the spelling of compare is compare. 15, choose the correct spelling. The correct spelling is option number A, deceive, DECEIVE. 16, find the correct spelt word. Option number D, affidavit, AFFIDAVIT. Change of voice, he is making a film. So you have to change this active into passive one. The correct option is option number C, a film is being made by him. So a film will become as a subject plus is, and then we will add being. Making would change into third form of verb made, and he will be changed into him. Thief killed him. So let us see what will be the correct passive form. The correct option is option number C, he was killed by the thief. So this sentence is in past, simple past. So we will add was, him will become he as a subject and by the thief. Question number 19, choose the correct alternative. Breeze, cyclone, then drizzle. Then drizzle actually amounts to option number D, downpour. 20, nurture, neglect, then denigrate. Then denigrate comes to a culminate. General knowledge. 21, name the initiative launched by technology giant Google to enable the small businesses to set up website from their smartphones. This is option number B, my website. My business, sorry, it is my business. 22. Name the mobile commerce and payments firm that has received the final approval from RBI to operate as payment bank. Is option number B, Paytm. 23. Who has been appointed as the 9th UN Secretary General? This is option number A, Antonio Guterres. 24. The Supreme Court bench on January 1st, 2017 ruled out that seeking votes in the name of caste, religion or language is a corrupt practice. Who was the head of the bench? We have read the case laws in our past videos, and we also know the name of the case law, so you have to write the same in the comment section below. This option number A, T.S. Thakur. Okay, so you do not have to write because I have already shown you the answer. Abhiram Singh versus C.D. Komachan, dead by legal representatives and other. Question number 25. India successfully test fired the surface-to-surface strategic ballistic missile of Odisha coast on January 2, 2017. Name the missile. This is option number D, Agni 4. Question number 26. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a UPI-based Bhim app at the Digi Dhan Mela event in Talkatore Stadium in New Delhi. What is the full form of Bhim? So it is option number C, Bharat Interface for Money. 27. Mamta scheme, which aims to provide monetary support to the pregnant and lactating women, was launched by which state government? This is option number D, Odisha. 28. Name the scheme launched by Niti Aayog on December 15, 2016, which entitles consumers using digital payment mode for transaction to stand a chance of winning cash reward based on lucky draw. This is option number B, Lucky Draw Scheme. 29. Which of the following books were released by the President Pranab Mukherjee on December 11, 2016 at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on the occasion of his 81st birthday? The correct option is option number C, both 1 and 2, Live at Rashtrapati Bhavan, and second one is Indradhanush 2. 30. Name the TV channel launched by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on December 9, 2016 to educate and digitally empower millions of Indians in rural areas about cashless transactions. So this is known as option number B, Digishala. 31. Which High Court on December 7, 2016 declared triple talaq as unconstitutional and against the rights of Muslim women? The correct option is option number B, Allahabad High Court. 32. Ride-hailing service Uber has tied pact with which online insurance providing portal on December 8, 2016 to facilitate car insurance solutions for the Uber's drivers partners? So this is actually option number C, coverfox.com. 33. Name the app launched by IRCTC to book tickets faster. So this is actually option number B, IRCTC Rail Connect. 34. Which High Court on December 19, 2016 declared a ban on all unauthorized Sharia courts functioning in the state? This is option number C, Madras High Court. 35. Which High Court of the country has on 29th of November 2016 directed that a son, irrespective of his marital status, doesn't have any legal right to live in his parents' house? This is option number C, Kolkata High Court. 36. Who has been bestowed with the highest peacetime gallantry decoration Ashok Chakra on the 68th Republic Day? You have to comment in the comment section below what is the which is the latest term of Republic Day that our country has celebrated this year. So you have to comment this answer in the comment section. This question number C, Hangappan Dada. 37. Which national leprosy awareness campaign has been organized by the Union government on 2017 Anti-Leprosy Day? This is option number C, Sparsh campaign. 38. The author Mother Teresa, The Final Verdict has been authored by whom? It has been authored by option number C, Arup Chatterjee. 39. Which operation has been launched by the Income Tax Department to track deposits post demonetization? This is option number B, Operation Clean Money. 40. Which state in the theme state in the 2017 Suraj Kund International Crafts Mela? This is option number B, Jharkhand. Law, MCQs, Constitution of India. 41. The objective of the preamble of the Constitution of India were first option number C, spelled out in the objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd of January 1947. 42. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court of India decided that there is no fundamental right to education for a professional degree that flows from Article 21. This is option number A, Balbir Thomas versus Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. 43. The Supreme Court of India, while considering the validity of proclamation of emergency under Article 356, said that the proclamation is subject to judicial review in one of the following cases. This is option number A, S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. 44. The Supreme Court of India said that it is not the duty of the court either to enlarge the scope of the legislation or the intention of the legislature when the language of the provision is plain and unambiguous is in one of the following cases. So the correct option is option number A, this Union of India versus Devaki Nandan Agarwal. Question number 45. It was remarked in Golaknath versus State of Punjab that our preamble to the Constitution contains a nutshell its ideals and aspirations by one of the judges. This is option number B, Justice K. Subba Rao. 46. Right of eligible employees to be considered for promotion is virtually a part of fundamental right of employees as decided by the Supreme Court in option number A, Union of India versus Hemraj Singh Chauhan. 47. In Vishram Singh Raghubansi versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the court held that option number 8 is the duty of the superior courts to protect the reputation of judicial officers of subordinate courts. 48. In which of these cases fundamental duties were judicially invoked? Answer using courts given below. Option number C, 3 and 4 are correct. So this Rural Litigation and Entitlement Kendra versus Uttar Pradesh and Shri Sachinanand Pandey versus West Bengal. So in both the cases fundamental duties were judicially invoked. 49. The Supreme Court has laid down guidelines for imposing emergency under Article 356 in one of the following cases. This is option number B, S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. 50. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that the preamble is the part of the Constitution? This is option number C, Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. 51. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court has held that the word law in Article 21 doesn't mean merely an enacted piece of law but must be just, fair and reasonable? It has been said by option number B in the case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. 52. Clause 5 of Article 15 of Constitution of India had been amended to the Constitution by this option number D, 93rd Amendment Act 2005. 53. The Supreme Court of India formulated the doctrine of eclipse in this is option number A, Bhikaji Narayan Dhakaras versus State of MP. 54. The satisfaction of the President means the satisfaction of the Council of Ministers and not his personal satisfaction, held in option number A, Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab. 55. Judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from their office by this is option number A, impeachment. 56. Which of the following part of the Indian Constitution describes India as a union of states? This is option number B, Article 1. 57. Which part of the Indian Constitution is associated with citizenship? This is option number B, Part 2. 58. Rights of a citizen under Article 19 of Constitution are automatically suspended during the period of emergency. If emergency under Article 352 is declared on the grounds of this option number D, war or external aggression. 59. Which cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly. This statement epitomizes the doctrine of option number A, colorable legislation. 60. By which constitutional amendment the total number of ministers including the Prime Minister in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the House of the People. So by which constitutional amendment the provision was added? This is option number A, Constitution 91st Amendment Act 2003. 61. Law of crimes. Which one of the following case is related to the defense on the ground of intoxication? This is option number D, Menges versus Yusuf Khan. 62. In which of the following sections of IPC forgery has been defined? This is option number A, section 463. 63. In which case the Supreme Court struck down section 303 IPC as unconstitutional? This is option number A, Mithu Singh versus State of Punjab. 64. A makes a false entry in his electronic record for the purpose of using it as corroborative evidence in trial court. A has this option number B, fabricated false evidence, and this is the illustration given under section 192 of IPC. 65. Which section of the Indian Penal Code defines sedition? This is option number C, section 124A. 66. A cutting the wood with an axe at a place where children are playing, the axe flies off and kills a nearby child. A is liable for option number D, causing death by negligence. 67. Minimum number of persons required to commit an affray is 2. Option number B. 68. A on grave and sudden provocation from Z who doesn't die. A is guilty of option number D, grievous hurt. 69. X is a good swimmer. He finds Y, a child of 7 years old, drowning in a canal. He could have saved the child but didn't do so. The child drowned. X is guilty of option number A, no offense. 70. A incites a dog to spring upon Z without Z's consent. Here A intends to cause injury, fear or annoyance to Z. So in this case, A uses criminal force to Z. Option number A, this given under section 350 of IPC. 71. Which of the following offence cannot be committed in a private place? Correct option is option number D, affray. 72. The right of private defence of property extends to causing of death when the offence apprehended is option number D, all of the above, theft, mischief and dacoity, all of the above. 73. A intentionally fired a shot from his pistol at B but it hit C and C died. The offence committed by A is this option number D, murder under section 301. 74. A makes an attempt to pick the pocket of Z by thrusting his hand into Z's pocket but finds nothing in his pocket. So A is actually guilty of B. A is guilty of attempt to theft. 75. A incites B to beat C. Subsequently, A reaches the place where B is beating C. A is liable under option number C, section 114. Question number 76. The revenue inspector knowingly disobeys the direction to conduct enquiry at a place for demarcation. What offence, if any, has been committed by him under section under IPC? This option number A, an offence as per section 166A. Public servant disobeying direction under law. So he has actually violated the provisions of section 166A of IPC. 77. Instigating or engaging in a conspiracy or intentionally aiding a person to commit an offence is better known as option number D, is known as abatement. 78. The maxim reum linguam non facit nisi mens rea is propounded by option number A, Koch. 79. Jurisprudence. Which of the following writers has divided jurisprudence into particular jurisprudence and general jurisprudence? This is option number A, Austin. A comparative method of study in law was introduced by option number B, Maine. 81. Who said jurisprudence is the eye of law? It has been said by Lasky. 82. Who propounded the concept of Grunbaum? This is option number B, Hans Kelsen. 83. In the Dark Ages, natural law was given a new interpretation by, this is option number A, St. Augustine. 84. A theory of justice is the work of option number B, Rawls. 85. Natural law is based on the nature of man and on his inward need of living in society. Who said it? It has been said by option number B, Hobbes. 86. Which one of the following schools gave birth to the concept of human rights? This is option number B, Natural Law School. 87. Who categorized the subject of jurisprudence as expositorial jurisprudence and sensorial jurisprudence? So this has been given by option number B, Bentham. 88. Criticizing Savigny's theory. Who said that Savigny encouraged juristic pessimism? So it has been said by option number D, Pound. 89. Main pioneer of the sociological jurisprudence is, it is option number A, Montesquieu. Question number 90. Who amongst the following wrote the celebrated essay determining ratio decidendi of a case? This is option number C, Goodhart. 91. Human rights or public international law. The General Assembly of the United Nations created the office of UN High Commissioner for Human Rights in the year option number A, 1993. 92. Under section 3 clause 2 of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, the chairperson shall be, so he shall be option number A, one who has been a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Question number 93. The Vienna Declaration and Program for Action on Human Rights was adopted by the World Conference on option number A, 25th of June 1993. 94. Who has remarked that international law is the vanishing point of jurisprudence because in his views rules of international law are followed by courtesy and hence they should not be kept in the category of law. So this has been said by option number D, Holland. 95. The solidary rights, commonly known as third generation of human rights, is based on, so this is based on option number D, common heritage of mankind. 96. Indicate the order in which the following words appear in the definition of human rights as given in section 2 clause D of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. So we have to arrange it chronological wise as per the definition given under Protection of Human Rights Act. Correct option is option number D. It is already arranged: life, liberty, equality and dignity. 97. The Convention on Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women came into force in the year. This is option number B, 1981. 98. Which one of the following is the fourth generation of human right? This is option number C, right to environment. 99. The non-permanent members of the Security Council of United Nations are elected for a term of option number D, 2 years. 100. Estrada doctrine relates to, so it relates to option number C, no necessary of recognition. 101. Principle of United Nations is option number C, all members shall settle their international disputes by peaceful means. 102. International law is international morality or ethics, international courtesy or convention in the social sense of the word, committee as distinguished from the rule of law. So who said this? This has been said by option number C, Bentham. Family law 103. Match list 1 with list 2 and find the correct answer by using the codes given below. See this option number A, Dastane versus Dastane, it relates to mental cruelty. Iqbal Bano versus State of UP relates to maintenance of Muslim wife. Lily Thomas versus Union of India relates to bigamy, and Harvinder Kaur versus Harmandir Singh deals with restitution of conjugal rights. 104. Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is not applicable on which of the following? This is option number B, scheduled tribes unless otherwise directed by the central government. 105. Which of the following is not a ground of dissolution of marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? This is option number B, pre-act bigamy by husband. 106. Which of the following is not a condition for a marriage under section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act? This is option number D, free consent of the parties. 107. Which of the following is not a ground of divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? This is option number C, epilepsy. 108. A petition for the dissolution of the marriage by a decree of divorce may be presented if cohabitation is between the parties to the marriage after the passing of a decree of judicial separation is not resumed for a period of option number A, 1 year or upwards. 109. To mature as a ground of divorce, the desertion under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 must continue for a minimum period of option number B, 2 years. 110. When two Hindus are descendants of a common ancestress but by different husbands, they are said to be related to each other by option number A, uterine blood. 111. Rules relating to submitter relationship are based on the principle of option number C, exogamy. 112. A marriage under Muslim law between persons with fosterage relationship is option number B, batil. 113. Where the marriage has been communicated, iddat has to be observed in case of option number A, both death and divorce. 114. A Muslim wife may sue for divorce under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939 if the husband has been insane for a period of option number B, 2 years. 150. The most proper or approved form of divorce among Muslims is known as option number B, Ahsan Talaq. 116. Under the Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Divorce Act 1986, besides the former husband of Muslim women, the following relatives etc. are liable to pay maintenance to her. This is option number D, 1 for the children, then comes parents, and then other relatives, and then comes state waqf board. So this is the sequence in which maintenance can be claimed. So first it can be claimed from children, then from parents, then from the other relatives, and in the last, state waqf board. 117. In which of the following cases the court held that dower is a sale price of women? This is option number D, Abdul Qadir case. It is held in this case of Abdul Qadir case that dower is a sale price of women. 118. Divorce by jihad is a species of option number D, constructive divorce. 119. A muta marriage is So it is actually option number C, 1, 3 and 4, a temporary marriage recognized under Sharia law, and it is for a fixed marriage. So is it actually known as a contract marriage? 120. Match list 1 with list 1, select the correct answer with the help of quotes given below. This option number A, Ijma. Ijma is actually collective opinion of commentators. Faksh is actually cancellation of marriage. Meher ul misl is actually customary dower, and Qiyas is opinion of one individual only. 121. The Indian Contract Act came into force on this option number B, 1st September 1872. 122. Every agreement and promise enforceable at law is contract. This definition is given by option number B, Pollock. 123. In case of illegal agreements, collateral agreements are actually void. 124. A minors agreement is void. This was held in the case of option number A, Mohiri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh. 125. An agreement in restraint of marriage, that is agreement preventing a person from marrying a person, is actually option number C, void. 126. A voidable contract is defined under section option number A, section 2I. 127. A contract of indemnity is a type of option number C, contingent contract. 128. The substitution of a new contract in place of an old contract is called as option number B, novation. 129. A contract to perform a promise or discharge the liability of a third party is called option number C, contract of guarantee. 130. A contract in which under the terms of a contract one or both the parties have still to perform their obligations in future is known as option number B, executory contract. 131. Where a law promulgated after the contract is made makes the performance of the agreement impossible, the agreement becomes, this is option number C, void. 132. There may be a contract without consideration if option number C, agreement is made due to natural love and affection. 133. An agreement of trade combination to regulate legal trade in organized way is actually option number C, legal. 134. Under the Indian Contract Act, acceptance of proposal should be option number C, unconditional and absolute. 135. Match list 1 with list 1, select the correct answer using the codes given below. This is option number C. Bhim Singh versus State of J&K relates to injuria sine damnum. Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Shubhagwanti is a case related to res ipsa loquitur. Nichols versus Marshland is a case relating to vis major. And Mogul Steamship Company versus McGregor Gow and Company relates to damnum sine injuria. 136. Labor law. The first come last go and the last come first go rule is associated with option number C, retrenchment. 137. Who among the following moved a resolution in the Central Legislative Assembly recommending that the government should introduce legislation for registration and protection of trade union in the year 1921? This is option number B, M. and Joshi. 138. Intellectual property rights. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. So you have to match this is option number B. Paris Convention 1883 is related to industrial property. Madrid Agreement 1891, it relates to trademark. Berne Convention 1886 is related to geographical indication. Lisbon Agreement is related to the Berne Convention is relating to copyrights, and Lisbon Agreement is related to geographical indication. Question number 139. Which section of the Copyright Act 1956 deals with the doctrine of fair dealing? This is option number C, section 52. 140. Which of the following judges of the Supreme Court is known as the Green Judge? Judges option number C, Justice Kuldeep Singh. So we have done all the 140 questions today. So I hope you all have liked this video. Kindly give a thumbs up to the video and also subscribe to the channel. Make the subscriber base to among 10,000 people and share this video to in the maximum and between maximum number of people. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.